A new day, a new adventure. Something else for a change. Very early in the morning. First, we start our engines and we'll let this adventure begin. Come on!
Nou, het is heel anders, maar wel handig.
Nou, die is dus gerubriceerd op 4 dingen. Op
Kleur.
of
So, bird spotting it is.
En hier bijvoorbeeld wat je nu hoort. Wat is dat dan?
Dat weet ik echt niet.
Dat is mijn buik.
Dat hoor ik dan weer wel. Nou ja, dat is wel duidelijk. Een kleintje. Gewoon nu zo zijn, ja. Ik denk dat er mooi is met dat niet.
We have some friends following us. Goodness me. And they all stay with the boat. Well, now we get excited. A sea eagle in the tree over there. That is cool. Can't get it on film. But I'm gonna look at it through the binoculars. Wow. Oh, there's still some debate about what kind of eagle it is. But now it's a fish eagle?
Ja.
Alright, well, it's an eagle anyway. And I mean, they are quite rare in the Netherlands, isn't it?
Echt heel cool.
I'll point it out.
Ja, nou, ik vind het toch een beetje koud wel hoor.
Hey,
There we go.
aan het gezien.
Zo. Nu wil ik hem nog iets dichterbij.
Ja, hallo.
ze dan iets horen of denken te horen, dan kunnen ze nog finaal luisteren. Kijk, om te luisteren of het echt zo was.
Wild horses.
Een soort riekstaart heet. Hoe zeg je zwaluw in het Engels? Swallow.
I would say this is the most beautiful place in the Netherlands. For me, nothing can beat this. Goodness me, so beautiful over here.
Oh ja, die bomen die druipen.
Ja. We decided to have a little break, and I mean, it's almost paradise. Look how beautiful. It's unreal. We're under this beautiful tree hanging over the water. I mean, goodness me. Yeah.
Maar dat is dus het verraderlijke, want je denkt al gauw, het zit in de buurt.
I know it's something really different than a metal detecting video. Everything you see and hear tickles your eyes and ears. It's just brilliant. Really, really nice. Have some peace and quiet now. No. The girls are walking around trying to spot some birds. I'm just relaxing in the sun. So they just spotted the kingfisher, and we might actually see it again. I saw it in its flight, and it's just a blue dot, just like a rocket. But it's a very beautiful bird. And we're gonna try to, well, see it again, but we ticked it off. It should be somewhere in there, but you know. Actually, we're just a little bit too late in the year. We should have gone earlier. But you know, that just did not work out. But there's too many leaves already on the trees, so it's very hard to spot them. But as you've heard in the morning, you hear a lot of birds here. All right, on with it. We're basically going home. Our time here is up. It's just too busy now. Loads of people with a boat, and well, this morning it was really, really nice because we were kind of like the only one there. But you know, we had a very cool adventure, and we ain't done yet. We still have to find our way back. And through the sluice we go. Now hopefully they will open up the other gate. Ah, thank goodness the doors are opening. So ladies, how about it?
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect day.
Yes.
Perfect weather. Some nice bird spotting. Thank you for coming along on our adventure. Thanks for watching, and obviously I hope you will tune in again the next time. But for now, take care.
Hele goeie, hè? Hele proefje. Mogen we wel praten of niet?
Jawel, dat knip ik wel uit.
Ja, dan kan je blijven knippen, denk ik.